Last month, I showed you my own customized riding jacket, and after that, I got an invite to try out the FKR Black Edition jacket. In this video, I'll give you my detailed impressions and also comparison with a jacket of similar price point. Priced at Rs 6,000 with a foam back protector. For Rs 1,000 extra, you can get that CE Level 2 back protector, which I strongly recommend. However, they sent me the foam back protector version, so I cannot show you the CE back protector in this video. At 1.2 kgs, it's the lightest riding jacket that I've ever worn. There are large mesh panels up front with a dual weave for a ton of ventilation. The fabric on the impact areas, however, is thin. The brand claims it to be a PU coated polymer, but it is not outsourced from reputed brands like Cordura or doesn't contain any rating like 600D or 500D nylon as found in some of the comparative jackets. For comfort standpoint, they have include neoprene collars and neoprene in the cuff area as well for added comfort on the inside. The jacket is designed for lightweight comfort street use and not for high-speed touring. A common rain and thermal liner is missing as well, making winter or touring use impossible. Even for rain, which can happen during city rides, at least a thin external rain shell would have been greatly appreciated. The jacket has a plain black styling, which you may or may not like, up to your personal preferences. The zipper quality is nice and the jacket offers a snug fit with the help of adjusters on the arm, forearm and wrist area. There are waist adjusters as well, which is all pretty standard for jackets at this price point. Size runs a bit small for this jacket. I am a size small in all other jackets, but here a medium sized jacket fit me perfectly. There are two zippered pockets on the side and an internal pocket as well. There are FKR logos on chest and back, and these are reflective as well. There are colored bands on both the arms, and it comes with a few extra color swatches so that you can create your own country flag or the motorcycle brand's official colors. If you don't like that, you can remove it altogether and get the plain black styling. The panels on the arms are reflective as well, so overall good reflective scheme for the jacket for night use. The focus of this jacket is the CE Level 2 armors from SafeTech. Though light and flexible, these are CE Level 2 certified compared to CE Level 1 armor found on jackets at similar price points. Last month, we had reviewed the Royal Enfield Windfarer jacket. When we add a CE Level 2 back protector to this jacket, it also comes to the same price point. So I thought we will compare it. At Rs 7,000, this will include CE Level 2 back protector, whereas the Royal Enfield Windfarer, even at the same price, will only come with a foam protector. The armors on shoulder and elbow are also CE Level 2 protectors on the FKR riding jacket, whereas on the Royal Enfield Windfarer, those were from Knox and CE Level 1 certified. The abrasion resistant fabric on the RE jacket is 600D from Cordura, which is better than the non-specified thinner abrasion resistant fabric used in this jacket. The main difference is the Royal Enfield jacket does come with an internal rain and thermal liner, which this jacket misses out. Also, there is no additional option on the FKR website to add a liner, so you have to buy it separately if you need it from a different brand. Styling wise, I like the Royal Enfield jacket more as it looks a bit more premium. However, if you don't ride a Royal Enfield motorcycle, you might not be interested to buy that. Who should be looking to buy this jacket? I feel if you want a jacket that is comfortable for summer use and mainly for city use, you can buy this. Or if you have a heavy touring jacket with less ventilation and you want a more comfortable and protective jacket, you should get this, as this is the perfect city jacket. If you already have an internal rain or thermal liner from your previous jackets, you can add that to the inside of this jacket and stretch the uses to winter and even short tours.
While testing out the jacket, I realized that the abrasion resistant material is too thin, and that is why you can probably see some crushes on the design. If you have worn jackets with thicker fabric, generally they don't crush that easily. So they have achieved a lighter weight, but that is coming at a cost of abrasion resistance. With this thinner fabric, I don't think is as good as some of the other jackets that we've seen on other Indian manufacturer. Also, another thing that I've noticed is the waist adjuster doesn't come with a buckle, so there is velcro but it isn't really tightening up around the waist. So that is something they should have put in. Just a buckle doesn't cost much, but it's not there.
In conclusion, I would like to say that apart from the lack of the liner, I am overall impressed with this jacket, as it offers sea level 2 protection on a budget, which other jackets are not doing. And it is also the most lightweight riding jacket that I've worn, so people who are not used to wearing riding gear might find it very comfortable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Do check out my review on the Pulsar F250 and N250, which we shot recently on Pune. Goodbye.